Welcome back to AI Portal, your go-to place for understanding the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into a question that's on many minds. Can AI really be trusted? With AI systems becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives, it's crucial to understand the ethical implication. So, let's explore AI ethics together and see what it means for you and the future. Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept of the future. It's here and now. From recommending your next favorite song to predicting health outcomes, AI is woven into the fabric of our everyday experiences. But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI systems become more sophisticated, the ethical questions surrounding their use become more complex. How do we ensure these systems are fair, transparent, and accountable? And more importantly, can they be trusted? AI ethics is essentially a set of guidelines aimed at ensuring that AI technologies are developed and used responsibly. It's about making sure that AI systems respect human rights and freedoms, prioritizing fairness, transparency, and accountability. Think of it as a moral compass guiding the development and deployment of AI technologies. But why does this matter? AI's potential to transform industries and societies is immense. However, without ethical oversight, these technologies could reinforce biases, invade privacy, and even cause harm. Imagine an AI system used in hiring that inadvertently favors certain demographics, or a facial recognition system that misidentifies individuals based on racial bias. These are not just hypothetical scenarios. They are real concerns that need addressing. So, understanding AI ethics is crucial for anyone interacting with or developing AI technologies. Let's look at 3 practical examples to illustrate these points. Example 1. AI in healthcare. AI systems are revolutionizing healthcare by predicting patient outcomes and personalizing treatment plans. However, if these systems are trained on biased data, they might offer less accurate predictions for certain populations. Ensuring diverse and representative data is crucial here. Example 2. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars promise safer roads, but they also raise ethical dilemmas. What should an autonomous vehicle prioritize in an unavoidable accident? Passenger safety or pedestrian safety? These moral decisions need careful consideration during the design phase. Example 3. AI algorithms curate our social media feeds, influencing what we see and how we think. If these algorithms prioritize sensational or misleading content, they could exacerbate misinformation. Transparency in how these algorithms operate is key. While AI offers significant benefits, there are caveats to consider. Bias in AI systems is a major concern. These biases often stem from the data used to train them. If the training data reflects societal prejudices, the AI system will likely perpetuate these biases. Moreover, privacy is another critical issue. AI systems often require vast amounts of data, raising questions about how this data is collected, stored, and used. Ethically, it's crucial that AI systems are designed with transparency and accountability in mind. This means developers must be open about how their systems work and take responsibility for their impacts. It's also important to include diverse perspectives in the development process to ensure these technologies are inclusive and fair. So, can AI really be trusted? The answer lies in how these systems are developed and used. By prioritizing ethical guidelines, fairness, transparency, and accountability, we can harness AI's potential while minimizing risks. Remember the examples we discussed: healthcare, autonomous vehicles, and social media. Each illustrates the importance of integrating ethics into AI development. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of AI ethics. If you found this topic engaging, why not dive deeper into our other videos on AI Portal? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Can AI be trusted in your view? Let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the world of AI. Until next time, stay curious and informed.